Hi, I'm Stacey Kincaid, Senior Director of Product Development at US Foods. Let's discuss Fairtrade Certification. Fairtrade is a third-party certification that US Foods and our vendors use to verify claims for our EB products that fall into our Serve Good product lineup. Fairtrade certified products are made with respect for people and the planet. Their rigorous social, environmental, and economic standards work to promote safe, healthy working conditions, protect the environment, enable transparency, and empower communities to build strong, thriving businesses. Choosing products with Fairtrade certification means, number one, Fairtrade helps ensure responsible practices and safe, healthy working conditions on the farms. Number two, audits ensure compliance and local and national laws on child labor, maternity leave, water conservation, and elimination of harmful chemicals. Number three, farmers and workers directly earn an additional community development premium with every sale. This money is used collectively to address important needs in the community, such as education, healthcare, or water access. And lastly, encouraging sustainable farming practices to protect biodiversity, maintain soil productivity, and conserve water.